Yo, who's out there? All right. See what the fuck is going on here. What up? What up? Sorry for the late start. There was an accident on the 215, so kind of got set back a little bit. Oh, what the fuck happened here? Oh, the Open, Asia Open. It's 50 points. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Eh, let's see what gold did. Same thing. What a fucking surprise. 100 and 154 ticks. Is that the fucking range on the show? The range so far on gold is 150 ticks. 15 points. Pretty sure that's gonna expand. Who's out here? Logan, Chase, Andy, Carbonite, Tick Daddy, DBT. Thanks, bro. Benny, D-Walk, Scott, Kenny, Canute, Felix. You like that shit? I had to take it out of the storage unit. Well, it was not in the unit, but it was parked at the facility. You know what I'm saying? Corey, Just My Style, TJP, Joker. Nice little bounce right there. 29. Whoa. 70 ticks. Any new fucking news out of Iran? Venezuela inflation rises to 10.6%. This shit's always been a fuck ton. Their inflation's always been super high. They've been in like hyperinflation for like a while. Nothing crazy. Dave, J-Min. J-Min, bro, I haven't sucked yet today because I haven't traded yet. The $1 million question is, which way is fucking gold going to expand the range? Up or down? That's the $1 million question. There's a 707. Yeah, J-Min, I know the feeling, bro. It's been a rough couple of months for me. Last month was awful. Last month was the worst month I've had since September. And it may even be worse. Just because of where I thought I was in my journey. Turns out I was nowhere. Turns out my 3 months of, an average of 40K a month in payouts with very minimal expenses was a fucking fluke. All right, here we go. Interesting. What was that? We expanded it to the upside. You think this is going to expand to the upside? I mean, look at fuck, man. Like, here's the last 4.5 hours. The last 4.5 hours, we've literally just ranged in this little cuck zone. Look, we haven't gone anywhere. It kind of looks like it's bear flagging, but who the fuck knows? Let me go to the hourly. Look at the hourly. It looks pretty fucking disgusting. That looks nasty. Looks like we could go down another leg right here. Pika Nasharika. Oh. Oh, it's almost 6. That's only 6 ticks, really? Oh, that's fucking the NQ. Here's gold. I'm like, what? I was like, what? Dave, Keegan, Dave, the NQ moves fucking slow as fuck all day, except for like, you know, around the open and at least lately. And then, the next hour or two after the open. Slow as shit all day today. Nine points. Oh shit, my earbuds, yo. Yeah, I don't know. This shit is moving fucking slow. Here's what we're gonna do. Oh, I gotta fucking turn the group on. Ugh, what an idiot. We'll see. Hot shot. Carbonite. Do I have? I use the fibs on all types of time frames. Yeah, bro. I draw them all over the place. Look, I got a fib drawn here on the NQ, which you could say it's on the hourly chart or the 4-hour chart, but I mean, look, here's the last low from fucking Friday. Here's the high from when we reopened, and then we came down to the 707, bounced off of that, tested the high, which was an all-time high, came back, dropped, flushed, hit the 786 and bounced off of that. I mean, if I go to the daily, I mean, it's hard with the NQ because we just keep going higher. We got all-time highs. But if I was to go to the daily, I mean, what do you do here? This is the daily. This is the daily on the NQ. What the fuck? What do we? I don't know what to do there. It just there's nothing to the left. It keeps going higher. But if I go to gold, I have this fib drawn out. I could probably expand it, but with this being the low and this being the high, we're in the golden shower pocket. Now, if I go all the way down to the bottom of this fucking wick, right there, we're not even scratching the surface. But that seemed, I don't know if I need to. I mean, it would be appropriate. That means we could even go down lower. But I kind of like that this is like, you got a body of the candle there. Oh, look. I didn't even do that. Where did I have the other one? The body here, there's 786. This wick right here, 707. I think this is where I had it. And the reason why is because we went down here, popped, and then came back down and then bounced. I like this one. It's all arbitrary, man. You could, as long as you're drawing it right, as long as your anchors are in the right place, you could pretty much draw them wherever you want. Just don't cheat to make it suit your bias. Just look at the fucking charts and draw accordingly. Tim, oh God, bro, why? Why? Yeah, that game just started. After the Sixers just did what they did to the Celtics, I'd be a little afraid of them. But at the same time, maybe they blew their load on the Celtics. Oh, I'm fucking tired. Yeah, I don't know. Oh shit. See, also on the daily. Let me go to the hourly again. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I'm in. Short. Nice fucking bounce though. 226. It bounced 100, 118, 130, 126, 120 ticks. Sorry. It could go higher. I could be fucked here. I don't want it to expand to the upside. I want it to go back down and expand to the downside. What up, Aid? Colby, Coach Fred, Vero, Neo, Maximus. Hopefully, my trading coach will come in here with a burner and try to tell me what I'm doing wrong if I do something wrong. Keegan, what up? Oh, I think I said what up to you already, but what up again? Michael Gianos. Nice job, Kenny. Great job, man. Fuck. No, Granny. I was worried about that. I wanted it to go back down and then expand to the downside. Guess not. This just looks like it's fucking flagging to go back down. But I could be wrong. Plus, we got new hour fuckery. I mean, this could be part of the reason why gold is going up. Uh-oh. Marcos, what up? Tim Morgan. Colby's about to request a $7,500 Lucid payout. Nah, they won't fuck. They won't fuck with you. You just add your bank account, you verify yourself and shit. The money comes quick. Especially if you're in the States. Great fucking job. The last time I was no, I did get one more payout after that, but I was so close to a $7,200 payout. It was $8,000, and then it would have been $7,200 after fees because I had four accounts in max payout land, and I couldn't fucking get $150 on the last day. And that kind of started my fucking downward spiral of fucking dog shit trading. It was fucking bad. That was awful. Literally, if I hold for 3 seconds longer in a trade I was in, I would have had it. That's it. I let myself get trailed out, and then it just went to shit from there. That was awesome. That was in fucking March. So it was so awesome. It was totes. No, Lucid is the shit. Lucid is great. Lucid said, "You're gonna love my nuts." Yo, Fallacy, what up, man? They said, AJ was like, "You're gonna love my nuts." Let's see if we push down now. No. Fuck. No. I could have got out, I guess, green, but I'm not letting this get out of hand. Which means I'm probably going to get stopped out. Where's NQ at? Oh, see, NQ went through it too. I guess it wants to break to the upside. That sucks. Who knows though? The problem is I'm at new hour fuckery. But man, that was a nice fucking bounce. See, like, you got to worry about this right here. Can we push? Let's go. All right, dump it now. Flush it. Flush it. Flush it. Please. Please. Nope. Look, it bounced off of this. Come on. What the fuck? That's the fucking, that support right there? That fucking 4 candles worth of shit right there? Come on. Come on. Probably getting stopped out. Let's just be real. Fucking real. Yep. Definitely. It's going to make new highs. It's so close to making new highs. I'm fucked. Why do I even trade this fucking session? I used to be so good at trading Asia. Yeah, it's fucking. Yeah, I don't know. I'm fucked. I don't know. I always think I'm fucked when I'm in a trade. I just don't. My confidence is fucking. My confidence hasn't been the highest. Let's just put it that way. I could tell you that much. Let's just put it that. That's all I got to say about that. Yep. Getting ready to get stopped out. Well, yeah, I got to trade this BS after 10, but I'm over here in the whip doing a whip stream. Thought I saw something. I was wrong. Although I've been on since what? I've been on since fucking right around here. I could have just went long. 226. We went up 150 ticks. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 150. I knew that was going to happen. How did I know that was going to happen? It was so obvious. Did I get top ticked? Watch this shit drop now. Look how it did it too. It just popped up just to take me out, like I was actually affecting the market with my fucking sim trade. And now it's gonna fucking, do whatever it's gonna do. Pull back. Who knows? Great So, these accounts are looking like shit. It'll just be another fucking batch of fucking Lucids that I probably end up fucking up after having a $1,300 day. I got that during the stream during Power Hour. Look at this. I literally got almost top ticked. Fucking crazy. Is it gonna go higher? Yeah, we'll fucking hey, let's fuck around. Let's see if I get full and then it fucking dumps. Let's see how fucked I get. Ha! All right, here we go. Total waste of my fucking time. What's Crude doing? Oh, look, I'm down 250, 270. Yeah. Fuck yeah. 300. Cool. Look at Crude. I don't know. I should be just trading Crude. Crude is so much better to fucking trade right now. Fuck yeah. So basically, I got top ticked. And then I got back in for, I switched directions for continuation, and it's gonna dump on the new hour. We'll see though. But this is what happens. I get fucked. I change my bias, and I get fucked harder. Ha! Look at it go. Look at it go. Can't make the shit up. There it goes. Top ticked. Also, it's a new hour, so it's fucking gonna, who knows what the fuck is gonna happen here. So basically, we're gonna go to my average fill. My stop is my average fill on the short. Can't wait. Which is where we just came back to. We just pulled back to what would have been my average fill on the short. It was support. 44, 70, 26. Yeah, just about. Just about. And then my average fill. What a fucking great spot to get in. What a shitty entry. And I know better. But here I am just doing the same shit over and over again. Where's my coach? To rub it in how fucking bad I am. My well-meaning coach. Go higher, you fucking cocksucker. Is that it? It just hit the same spot. Awesome. Here we go. Anyhow, we're going to find out real quick how much I fucked myself. Can we go higher? Push it. Push it. Again, the same fucking spot. Equal. Bro. Fucking so stupid. Oh my God. What a fuck. Yo, so fucking typical. So fucking typical. I'd be fucking green right now in this trade. Fuck, man. I fall for it every fucking time. I get shaken. I get stopped out. And then I get fucked. Or I get shaken out of a trade and it keeps a good trade and it keeps going in the same direction. You know what I'm saying? Wow, I got so lucky. Good thing I moved my stop down. Don't worry, it'll come back. It'll come back. Fucking same shit every fucking time. We'll see what happens. Timothy Chapo, what up? Rangap. Carbonite. Yeah, it's the same fucking shit every time. Catboy. Here I am falling for it every fucking time. Can we push now? I did the right thing sitting out fucking Asia last night. I didn't touch it. I was exhausted, though. I would have if I fucking wasn't completely fucking shot. I knew I had to wake up early, too, because the contractors were coming early. All the counters, I don't know if they were done, but they were putting the counters in today. The countertops in the kitchen. Hopefully they're done by the time I get home. Yeah, look, see? We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I would love an explosive fucking green dildo candle to the upside. Maybe this was just a shake. Maybe this was just to shake people out of longs so they could push it higher. Because I've seen that happen plenty of times in either direction. All right, now can we make a new fucking high here? Let's expand the range to the upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Fucking cocksucker. Yeah, get the fuck up there. I gotta trail this. Got more? Got more? I almost got stopped out. You know how fucking pissed off I would have been if I got stopped out? You know what I'm saying? In both directions like that? Uh-oh. Push higher. And look, I talk about this all the time. Where I get shaken out of a trade is always the bottom of the candle that's going to keep going in the direction my trade was in. Every fucking time. It's amazing. I'm the fucking best at that. Nobody does it better. So I just cost myself 20 fucking ticks, which was $400. I would have been green right now. Yep, it's so stupid. So predictable. So I'm basically back where I fucking started. I let myself get shaken out here. It's amazing. No? Look at this shit. Look at this shit. Watch me get fucking bottom ticked again here. Can't see with the fucking glare. Amazing. It went up 09, 26 more ticks, $520. A lot of people, whoever was on the stream for Power Hour, watched the same thing happen to me in a short I was in. I didn't, although I in these accounts, but the difference is I didn't lose money. I just didn't get nearly as much as I could have or should have. I got shaken out It was the top of I got shaken out of a short. It was the top of the candle, and it kept going lower. And then here I get shaken out of the long. Yeah, let's fucking go, bitch. Oh my God. Come on! Oh! I get shaken out of the long. What? I get shaken out of the long at the bottom of the candle. I couldn't fucking trail it up. I couldn't go up high enough. Look at this shit. What did I get? $60? This went 09. It went up 40 fucking ticks. So instead of getting close to 800, I got 60. Mikey, what up? Just my style. What's the target? Look left. I already know. I know about that, bro. I get it. I just don't want it to fucking pull back against me like here. I almost got stopped out down here. And then if I would have got stopped out down here, and that shit doesn't always play, look to the left. It's great. It's always great when it works until it doesn't. So if I look to the left, I mean, you got maybe this is the target. There's layers. Another 70 ticks, maybe. Maybe this is the target. I don't fucking know. There could be we could start fucking bombing the shit out of Iran in 5 minutes, and it doesn't. None of the shit to the left matters. In this wartime fucking market, nothing to the left fucking matters. Absolutely nothing. What's interesting is that we broke out of this fucking. Well, did we completely break out of it? I don't know. We're still flagging here, but I don't know. Depends on how much more we go up. Travis, what's the thesis? Kasalisk. I don't know, bro. I don't like doing that. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I do. I'd rather just be in all of it. Remember, I wasn't taking partials when I was averaging 40K a month for 3 months in a row. I wasn't taking partials. What a fucking move, though, from down here. 226, 200, and 223 ticks. Alfred. There's like no volume on crude. It makes you wonder if I'm even in the right contract, but I am. Well, at least I'm not down $745 like I was before. In realized losses. This shit's gonna keep going. I don't need this anymore. Money Mitch. What up? Yeah, no, what they did was Kasalisk. What they did was, yeah, the 25Ks at Apex are fucking, they suck. I don't care who at Apex is watching this. Do not, they took away $500 of your drawdown. So it used to be a dollar for a dollar, like a 1-to-1 ratio. You used to need 1,500 to pass. I think you still do. Now you need, but you had $1,500 of drawdown. Now you only have it. They took $500 of your drawdown away. You only have $1,000 of drawdown. They made it like a Lucid account. But Lucid, you need 1,250 to pass. You know what I mean? And probably like what? 5 days of $100 or more to get a payout with $1,000 minimum profit. Pamela, what's up? Oh, I thought that was last week. Wasn't that last week? Wasn't that Labor Day shit last week? Hold on. China. Oh shit. I thought it was last week. Yeah, May 1st to May 5th. So today and tomorrow. Good looking out, Pamela. Yeah. The 25Ks on Apex are not worth having. And I like Apex, even though I haven't been able to trade with him for fucking 3 fucking weeks, but whatever. Still waiting on my lives, but I'll show you. We'll do intraday. We'll start with intraday. What's going on in these fucking trusts? Well, whatever. Who gives a fuck? Payouts. You need to get to 26,600 to request. $100 a day. Safety net's 26,100, where your drawdown stops intraday trailing, but you only get $1,000 of you only get $1,000 in fucking drawdown. Watch. $1,000 on a 25K. It doesn't matter if it's intraday or end of day. With a $500 daily loss limit. I don't know what the daily loss limit is on the funded account. On the end of day, it's 500 on the evals. Let's see. Daily loss limit. I think this is when you're, yeah. So on a 25K, you could scale up to a $1,250 DLL, but it's 500 from 0 to 2,000 in profit. It's $500 a day. Like I could go down 500. I mean, obviously because of the size I trade, but you in this environment, you could go down $500 in the blink of an eye. The 25 just don't. Honestly, the 100Ks, which used to be a decoy, might be the best fucking plan that they offer. To be honest with you. But I mean, I wouldn't fuck with the 20. No matter what you guys do, don't get the 25K. By the way, 90% off with holy fuck. See? 409. Yo, I would be up like $500. I would be up like $500. Amazing. Of course. But I'm a pussy and I got shaken out. I would be up $500 minimum. 86. Forget about this shit. 409. Basically 80 fucking, that's $1,600. I would have been in I was 1,600 minus 745. I'd be up $800+ if I just stayed in the fucking trade and held it. Look where I got taken out. Forget about this shit. Look at this. At the bottom, At the bottom of the candle, and it's gone up fucking 80 fucking ticks since then. This is the shit I'm talking about. Yup, Apex still has me in limbo. I'm not in limbo. I'm transitioning. Savvy, what up? Crank, what's good? Amazing. I can't wait to get filled all the way up here when all I had to do was just hold. Zero Day Jane here. What up, Logan? But look, all I had to do was hold. It's up fucking 81 ticks. It went up 83 ticks from where I got shaken out here at the bottom of the fucking candle. If I move this to a 5-minute candle, watch this. Oh, I was in the middle. Never mind. My point is better illustrated on the 1-minute candle. Look, that's the fucking bottom. It's the fucking bottom. Uh-oh. Zero Day J daughter. Coach HID, what up? What is up? Chase. Ha! Yeah. Ha! Ooh. Does it bounce off of this fucking level right here, or does it blow through it? We'll see. It just went down fucking 40 ticks. Shit's starting to wake up now. House next door has been harboring van life hippie people for over 5 nights now. Shit's moving slow as fuck. Oh, here's crude at the fucking 786 that I had drawn before. Yo, this came. What's NQ doing? Fuck NQ, man. Fuck the NQ. Let's see. It rejected off the 618 here. It's at the 618 again. I bet it goes higher, which means gold's going to go higher because that's how it's working right now. Look at that shit. Boom. So fucking glad I got shaken out here. So fucking glad. Dude, yo. All good, bro. What am I drinking in this thumbnail? I don't even know. Let me look. Probably a fucking Coors Light, right? Probably a Coors Light. If I had to guess. JK, what up? Seneca. For free. Free coaching. Free coaching. Let me act like I like you. I'm your friend, and then I after I twist a little bit. After I fucking poke and prod a little bit, I'll show you my true colors. We'll see the true colors. Everybody's here just to laugh at me, right? I don't provide any value. Everybody's here to laugh. We're all laughing. What up, Eddie? We're all laughing. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. We're laughing. Everybody's laughing at me. That's why everybody comes to watch. That's the value I provide. I get people to laugh at me because of my trading. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Anyway, no value being provided here. Oh. I still on? All right, we're still here. We're still here. We're still here. I thought I Coach HID, yeah. Now they meant well. My coach meant well. I think that was my first coaching session. I gotta check. I gotta follow up. Maybe I should read the 12 DMs they sent me as I was fucking telling them to fuck off on the stream. I still haven't. You know why? Because fuck them, that's why. Oh, hey. Yeah, Money Mitch. Of course. Yeah, no. You're the outlier, bro. Everybody comes here to laugh at me. That's the only value I provide. Right? 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 I think this goes lower. I don't know. I think. Therefore, I am. The Knicks are kind of fucking spanking the fucking. The Knicks are up 74-51 at halftime over the Sixers, who just fucking embarrassed the fucking Celtics. I knew it. That's what I was thinking. Alfred comes to learn what not to do. Interesting how it just keeps riding along the top of this fucking little shit right here, and it's bouncing now. I don't know. We'll see. I might end up not taking another trade until, later when I get home and shit. Oh, yeah, just fucking. This was like a fucking. This became like a fucking an area of support for now. David Schneider. The 100Ks might be the best, but if you're gonna, the 50Ks are fine. The 150s are fine. You just need to get a lot to pass them. You need to get a lot to get a payout. Just anything but the 25Ks, and you should be okay. The 25Ks are fucking. They're not it. Let's just put it that way. They're not it. We're gonna push higher now. Ooh, lower it is for now. I don't know. We're just gonna cuck around, I guess. Crude. NQ rejected off that 618 again for 20 points. 20-point rejection off this 618. It just missed it. It was actually a lower high from this one. Oh shit. 21 points, yo. Oh shit. Ew. What up, South Tribe? Funded seat. That's that new one that rips is fucking pushing hard. Yeah, I used my allotted prop for money on the prop pit and they went under. Savvy, I wish I could say I'm all green. I am not all green. These are the only accounts I traded, and I could be all green if I wasn't a fucking idiot, but whatever. I'm only down $331. I was down more. I was down like 750 in realized losses. And I think I went down even more for a fleeting moment. Yeah, I went down fucking I went down another $800. Was I down $1,500? No fucking way. Mikey. That's right. They were giving away free evals. What, they have 190 traders total? And that doesn't mean they were active either. It just means they had that many traders on their fucking, I guess, on in their database. Romeo, armpit. The funded toilet seat. The funded take a sheet. Damn, Jalen Brunson has 27 points at halftime. What the fuck? Sometimes that guy is unfucking guardable. Where's Crude at? Yeah, this shit is moving. This fucking shit sucks, yo. Oh. We dropped 24 points, and now we came all the way back up. Oh, what the fuck? Look where it bounced. It bounced right off of this here, this support right here. You got a couple of spots. Look at this. Here, here, here. That was enough to be support, I guess. Oh! Slop pit. 190 burner accounts. Yeah, I wonder how many real fucking people had an account there. So glad I fucking let myself get shaken out here. 409, 117, 108 ticks ago. I would have a $1,500 fucking day or real close to it. So fucking. Oh, there's the 618. Look at that. 618. So fucking glad. There was some news. U.S. struck 2 civilian vessels transporting goods to Iran. 5 civilians dead. They made sure to call them civilians. Why would the NQ go up? Wouldn't that make it go down? Blackout News Network, what up? Civilians die and the market pops. Exactly, Coach Fred. I gotta fucking leave soon. I got like 15 more minutes. I mean, we just dropped 50 ticks off of that new high. Let's see what the range is at now. 226. The range is still not even 300 ticks. Fuck. The fuck are we doing here? Oh shit! You see what happened to crude? Crude did this when NQ and gold popped, and then it came all the way back. Yeah, I don't know. Shit is whack. I thought Labor Day was last week, but I guess not. You know what I got to do now? Expand this. If it even comes down there. Yeah, this is. I don't know. I'm annoyed. But you know what? I still have the accounts. Being down $331 is nothing. However, I should be up like fucking 1,000 if I wasn't such a fucking pussy. Even here, what an idiot. Whatever. Whoops. What's going on here? Elevated life, what up? Not really. Not really. Just sitting here. Kind of flagging right now. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Fuck this. Yeah, this is fucking. This bores me. Kind of just stalled in this area right here. Waiting for the next hour. We're approaching new hour fuckery. And I gotta get ready. I'm leaving in like fucking 8 minutes. I gotta get off. Then I gotta run home. I gotta drop my son. Well, I gotta get my son first. And then I gotta drive home, drop him off, run to fucking Floor and Decor, get more fucking samples for the backsplash, and then go to the gym. And maybe eat in between all that. Maybe have something to eat. Just doesn't fucking stop. But my kitchen's looking like a kitchen now because they put the countertops in today. I don't know if they finished, but they had almost everything in. They were just we're doing like the waterfall on the island with the granite, the countertops going down the sides of the fucking island. So they were working on that, and then they cut the hole for the sink and polished it, and then they still had to cut the hole. They still had to cut the hole for the whatchamacallit, for the fucking the oven top, the stove top. I mean, this bores me. Yeah, exactly, bro. Assemble your crew. It'll be me and the boys versus the Prince and the Rev. What was it? You and your crew against me and the Revolution. The shirts versus the blouses. Yo, fucking Charlie Murphy, man. He made that whole shit. Is this gonna go higher? I guess so. Yeah, no, yeah. I got orders up here, and I got an order down here, and I'm gonna cancel them all as soon as I fucking have to leave. Darlene Picky. Interesting. Props versus the broker statements. Fuck. The Knicks are up by fucking 30 with 7 minutes left in They're winning 90-60 with 7 minutes left in the third quarter. What the fuck is going on? I fucking hate. I love basketball. I hate the NBA. There shouldn't be any blowout games in the fucking playoffs. It shouldn't be like this. It's so bad. It's such a shitty product. Everybody's allowed to travel. You can't fucking touch anyone. Guys are getting fucking some guys are fucking like the game is rigged in their favor. They're getting fucking 25, 30 fucking free throws a game. Fuck that. It's such a garbage product. Yeah, this shit, I don't know. I wish I fucking held. Even to this, like, over here. I fucking knew it. Even here would have been good. Anything more than this. I'll hold the fucking loser to my stop loss, of course. They are fucking destroying them. If they come back, if they end up losing this fucking game, could you imagine? Yeah, this shit's fucking whack. NQ kind of working its way back up. But it's pretty much doing the same thing that gold did. Like gold just got up to the 786 from this wick and this wick and rejected off of it. So does that mean the NQ is going to do the same thing or no? Maybe 707. Who knows? Who the fuck knows? Almost a 786 bounce there. Just go. Oh, you just got home? You seeing this fucking Knicks game? Pamela. We're going to have some pancakes afterwards. Yeah, I'm not feeling this either. Oh, shit. Let me cancel all my orders before I fucking do something stupid. Before I fucking get filled again. By mistake. DJ, what up? Yeah, I mean, I'm not taking any trades. I gotta go. I'll hang out for another minute and watch this fucking oh shit, yo. Retested the 786 and dropped fucking 30 ticks. You see, guys? You see, guys? All right, I'm gonna bounce. I wish I had more time. I got fucking caught in traffic on the way here. Look at that shit go. Oh my god. I would love fucking 40 ticks to the short. I would love 40 ticks in general. But it don't matter. I gotta bounce. I'll be on for Power Hour tomorrow. I'll be hanging out in the Discord. Thank you so much for hanging out. Smash the like button on your way out. for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I stream every day for Power Hour. And then during the week, I try to stream like 3 or 4 days every single week during Asia or during the overnight. So hopefully I'll see you there. If not, I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Enjoy the rest of your night.